You know the game Squirrel Stapler? The game where on day 5, God comes.
I don't know, some of where you're coming from, it sounds like it's...
Actually, it's terrifying because, bro, it's not normal. You don't actually hear that fucking sound in real life.
So after you complete the 5th day by hunting the right amount of squirrels and killing them all, then a timer shows up. You have 2 minutes until God comes, and the build up to it is
I'm
kind
not
of
joking.
terrifying, actually.
This game is terrifying. It's not for kids.
So then the timer runs out and it goes to 0. And I was expecting for something to happen. I was expecting the game to cut off there, but it doesn't. And so you walk around for a second, and then you turn around, and then you see this giant head that is presumably the god that the Squirrel Stapler was waiting
I'm not
for.
joking.
And then
It's
the game
terrifying.
immediately cuts off.
It's terrifying. Basically,
oh, Jesus Christ.
Basically, this game is where this creature pops up right behind you and it scares the fuck out of you. Wanna know how? I played the game myself. Look at this video. That's me playing the game because I made a video on my YouTube channel and it was called God is Coming in 59 minutes. And basically, this game is terrifying because basically this creature pops up right behind you and scares the fuck out of you. Basically, this game's not for kids. It's terrifying. Bro, look at this. God is here. Squirrel Stapler. It's not for kids. Trust me. Basically, you wake up and you see your wife dead. And you probably have to hunt some squirrels and cover her corpse with squirrels. I know it's not normal, but you, as the player, you're probably gone after you meet God. Because in the game, after you meet God, you're gone. The game cuts. That's it. The game cuts, shuts, and that's fucking it. And you see, this, like in the game, this guy is normal, and it immediately becomes red. And it turns red. Run immediately. Because that is a sign where God is coming. Subscribe for more. Don't let it bite. And like the videos. Bye.